Hello everybody, my name is Darren Clark. I'm a third year Entertainment Systems student in WIT, and this is a look at the latest build, iteration 2 of my game Inle, a Watership down RPG. And so you can see I've added a few bits since last time. We actually have an outdoor environment now, we can move around, and some player models, stuff like that. Unfortunately, I had to change how the player was moving. I was trying to use the third person controller, but unfortunately it was not working for me, as when I was using it, it wasn't working with the battle scene. I could not for the life of me work out why. I'll be doing more looking into that for the next iteration, but for now we have a few little bits added. We can go into this town here. Obviously this is just a prototype town. It does not look very good at all yet. Let's head back out of there. We spawn right outside the town on this little orange spawn point here. That won't be visible in the final build, but just to show in the current iteration I left them visible for now. And that's pretty much it for this little opening area so far. I was hoping to have the dialogue system done at this point, but unfortunately due to illness and scheduling it isn't done. But we can head south here to the river area. It's fixed camera at the moment. I need to alter this, but you can see we just ran into our first battle. It spawned in 4 rats. Let's just get those. Apologies. Let's just get those taken care of now. And they're doing their damage. I do need to still update the system to handle AP. But there should just be the one left now. There we go. I'll take care of them. I have found during my testing that the spawn rates for enemies are quite high, as you can see. So that definitely needs to be updated, but that should be a quick fix. I'm also going to have a look at why those enemies still had their targeters above them during that. But for the most part, what I've added is danger zones, so you can add a list of enemies to each danger zone and have it spawn randomly 1 to 4 enemies. In this particular danger zone, I only have rats as the enemies, because that was the plan. But I have tested it is working with multiple enemies. There we go, a bit more time between enemy spawns that time. Just take care of those quickly, and that's for the most part what I have done in this particular iteration. I'll just see if this might take a while actually, given how they're set up. No, I won't show off the death screen for now, but you can see that is the majority of functionality for the enemy spawning done. So whenever I create an environment, I can just pull in a danger zone where I need it, add the list of enemies for that area, and the spawn rate, or which battle scene. So if they're fighting in a forest, I can create a forest-style battle scene and have it go into there rather than this particular one, and then another one for a beach area or a grass area. But it should work out quite well. Unfortunately, as I said, I didn't have time for the dialogue or inventory system, but they will be added fairly soon, I do hope. Other than that, there hasn't been any major additions that I can think of right now. So if you have any questions, feel free to throw them in the comments. If you have anything else to say, just let me know. And thank you very much for checking it out.